Hello and welcome back. Today we'll focus on a few more phrasal verbs. So the aim of the lesson is the same, to learn how to pronounce some common phrasal verbs. Along with that, we'll focus on the meaning and we use them in sentences as well. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. Okay, so let's begin today. The first one is line up. Line up. Of course, these are two vowels here, vowel sound here. The stress will be on this one, okay? You cannot say line up, okay? If I stress on this one, it will become line up. No, it's not line up, it's line up. Line up, okay? Line up. It means to be in a row, one after another. So that means when you're making a queue, you are standing in a line, something like that. So for instance, people line up to get on a plane. People line up to get on a plane. Okay, so let me focus on this one as well. So there's a vowel, there's a consonant sound here. So when we read these two words, they will be used in combination, like to get. Okay, you can say up, to get again, it will be connected as well. To get on, it will be connected as well. To get on. Okay, to get on a plane. So to sound better, read in combination of 3 or 2 words, okay? That will make your pronunciation better. You will sound better, okay? Next one is live with. The, okay? Again, this is a vowel sound. This is a semi vowel, okay? So they will be connected. Okay, so live with. Again, the stress is here. Yeah, as I told you before, live with. It means to share the same place or the same house. For example, I live with my family in the city. And I want to focus on this full stop as well, like the last sentence as well. You drop your voice, okay? So your voice goes down. The same here. It signifies that you have finished the sentence, okay? So the listener knows it. I live with my friend in the city, okay? Then we have look around, so k and all right? So we connect the sounds. Look around, look around, to see who or what is around you. So anything or any person, okay? For example, in a new city, when there's a comma, your voice rises, okay? In a new city, we always look around because everything is unfamiliar. Again, down, okay? In a new city, we always look around because everything is unfamiliar. Something that you don't know about, something, shops would be new, streets would be new. So we pay more attention to the things, okay, when we go to a new place, new city, new country, anywhere, okay? Then we have look at again. What will happen here? We'll stress at, and this will be combined. Look at, to focus on someone or something, but for a short duration, okay? Because then we have see, watch, okay, and then look. So look is very short, see is a little longer, watch is like you spend a lot of time. For example, you watch matches, you watch TV, okay? You watch movies. So look at. For example, I'm looking at you at the moment. Again, down. So what happens here? Okay, looking at, so get. Looking at you. Okay, same also at you. You at the moment. So combination of these 3 together. I'm looking at you at the moment. Now you is not very strong again. These words are weaker, so we don't pronounce them strongly, okay? Unless I really want to focus on you, okay? I'm looking at you, so I'm telling you that it's you I'm looking at, nobody else. But that would depend on the situation, okay? So this one is look forward to. That means you look ahead in the future for something. For example, the meaning could be to wait for an important event in the future. So for instance, you could say, I'm looking forward to meeting you soon. I'm looking forward to meeting you soon. Again, to meeting, okay? To meeting you soon. This is a formal sentence as well when you write email, so you can always change this one. You could say, I'm looking forward to seeing you. I'm looking forward to talking to you, something like that, okay? So this expression, we could say, this sentence could be used when you write emails, formal emails, or in general when you interact with your clients, okay? Next one is look down on. So k, consonant sound, but a vowel sound. So what will happen? Down on. Look down on. K, down. So because of two consonant sounds, we cannot pronounce both of them, okay? Look down. So they'll kind of stop here, and then we quickly glide to d sound. Look down on. Look down on. Look down on. Down on. Non. Okay, can you hear that? Look down on. To think of someone or something unimportant. Okay, so for example, looking down on any person is inhumane. Okay, again, looking down on any person is inhumane because the stress is inhumane. So you go down a little bit, yeah, because you are ending the sentence here. All right, I'll be back with another lesson. Enjoy yourself, okay?